one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Some new beginnings arrive quietly. They don't always arrive with noise and with instant change, but with a soft breaking of light, with an awareness of the Lord's presence, an awareness that things have changed. The Lord is bringing you into a place of encounter in this day, a place of awareness, where you will begin to see the things which have changed, the things which He is working on. For the Lord says, trust me in this next part of the journey. Trust that I'm leading you into a new day. Look around and see, for already the darkness is less than it was. Already the soft light of the dawn is breaking through. Do not allow fear to hold you back, but continue to trust in me, continue to allow me to work. For I'm bringing my peace into your heart. I am the one who is strengthening you, the one who is filling you anew. For I am the Lord who restores, the Lord who heals, the Lord who makes all things new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.